Hey guys, guess who I'm with?
Hello.
My sweet sister. And we thought for fun, it would be interesting to try and wander into a drugstore and try and shop for Curly Girl products because shopping is fun and we both enjoy Curly Girl. Obviously, I am product free. We went for a long run today and I just co-washed and let my hair be wild and free. She washed her hair yesterday, and guys, her hair care routine is so easy. Tell them what you do normally.
Easy. I just use a co-wash, conditioner, wash it out, and then put in the direct leave-in, squish to condish, and
you like
plop my hair.
Like
and that's it.
You like brush the leave-in in.
Yeah.
But you like part your hair like where it's normally going to part, and you just like part it down the back and put in the leave-in, and
brush it in,
and then you plop, and then you take off your plop and put on the gel.
Yeah, then I use a marmalade gel because we figured out my hair responds really well to it. It didn't respond to her hair very well, so she let me have it.
It's a great product, and Caitlin's hair loves it.
Yeah.
My hair just didn't. So then what do? You've got like sopping wet hair with a lot of gel in it. Then what do you do?
So after I put the gel in, then I style it just by like squishing it so these fun curls happen, and then I just let it air dry, basically.
So you go to bed with soaking wet hair, and you wake up with glorious curls.
Yep. Just make sure the hair is like out behind you so you're not sleeping on top of it and squishing it.
And you sleep on a silk pillowcase now.
Yes. So that's actually helping. I'm excited.
But guys, can y'all believe she goes to bed on soaking wet hair and wakes up with curls like these?
Yeah.
Mind blown. Okay, we're gonna go into the store now and look for some products.
Fun.
Y'all get to guess where we are just by looking at these products. So you've got your Uncle Funky's daughter. Dude, I haven't seen that in the store. Then you've got your good old As I Am co-wash. I wonder, what if we go to like the non-curly area and check out like the stuff that says curls? You know what I mean? Like Pantene, I don't know. Pantene's Curls Mousse is awesome, but let's go look. Okay, so I've always wondered about the Aussie Miracle Curls defining oil, because we all want defined curls. All right, so here are the ingredients, and there's one on there that I'm not really sure about. It's the dimethiconol. I think that might be like a silicone. What else do you see, Caitlin, that says like curls? Like it's for curls.
Volume mousse.
I've actually heard really good things about this one too. Okay, we're looking at this one now. Ooh, polyquaternium.
What is that?
It's an ingredient that creates hold, which is really fun.
Okay.
Yeah, this one looks like a rough glance at the ingredients makes me think that this is Curly Girl approved, and everybody's doing this cool new thing where they do like mousse and then put gel and then put more mousse on top, and their hair turns out beautiful.
Is it just like help hold, or why do they put mousse gel? Just
I need more info on that. Okay, I used to love this product. I used to use it all the time, but I don't think this is Curly Girl approved. I need to double check the ingredients. So basically, when you're shopping for your hair care products, you need to have your Curlsbot app open so that you can check your ingredients. Look, this was in Target, but we found it at Marshall's for $5.99. Score. Tell the people how excited you are.
That's pretty awesome.
So, we're at Marshall's, and she found this. And I didn't know if this stuff was Curly Girl approved because I had never heard of it, but it says like curl defining cream, so we got excited. And the second ingredient is one that I'd never heard of, and it was cyclopentasilohexane. So we're not sure, and I threw it into isitcg.com, and it told us that it is a silicone, but that it's Curly Girl approved with caution. So we haven't checked the rest of the ingredients, but just have your phone out and ready and available, and you can throw ingredients that you're not sure about into, is it cg.com? Let me pick your nose with the bottle. Anyway, so very cool. Okay, now we're in a Dollar Tree and we found this. Oh, yes.
Wait, what is that?
That's exciting. It's a Curly Girl approved gel.
So kind of like I use the Giovanni
Yes.
gel? Okay.
Yes. I've never tried this. Should I? We're in a very dark and gloomy parking garage, but anyway. So, tell me what you thought about going grocery shopping for, not grocery shopping, shopping for Curly Girl products in the drugstore. Wow, it's even darker. Wow. There we go. I fixed it. Okay.
It's really neat because we have phones where you can like research stuff.
Yes, there's so much information at your fingertips.
So it like decreases the prep time before you go shopping. Sometimes if like you're there and you're like, oh, I have no idea what this is, you just look it up, and that's super helpful.
You can research an ingredient, so if you're ever in doubt, you can look it up.
Yeah.
You just have to make sure you typed it in right.
Yeah, spelling.
Don't misspell stuff. Also, that there's actually kind of a lot of options out there at all different budget levels.
Yeah, and it's like you can find things at like random places like Marshall's. You wouldn't really necessarily think it had hair care.
There's certain fun hidden finds at Marshall's that are cheaper. Like it was cool seeing the Acure in Target for $9.99 and then seeing it for $5.99 in Marshall's. Now I've heard that there are some like fake products that show up in Marshall's, so like if you see Diva Curl, it's probably not real. I don't know if that applies to all hair care, but anyway. So yeah, and heck, there's even Curly Girl approved stuff at Dollar Tree. That would be a fun video.
That was fun.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have an absolutely fabulous day, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.